Yeah, nigga better not play, he better not slip, he ain't no dummy. He better not slip, he ain't no dummy. And I been cutting niggas off, I don't want no love, bitch, I want blood. Look inside my eyes, but you can tell that I'm a thug. And I been feeling all this pain. What's going on, my limitless soldiers? What's going on, my limitless family? Got Peasy in this joint, and we got Vay, and as y'all can see, we is up in we're up in the nature right now. We is up in the nature, and what we basically gonna be doing is just chilling and just chatting it up with y'all. Y'all just gonna be watching us make this little fire that we was gonna make. We're about to make this little bonfire.
Look at that.
So right now, I'm cutting up. I was breaking up sticks. These are my pile of sticks right here, as y'all can see. Got my pile of sticks right here. My rocks right here. So it can be controlled and everything's okay. Nothing bad's happening. So, feel me? I got everything that I'm supposed to have. And look what the hell I came across, y'all. I'm gonna set y'all up while we doing this fire as well. Now, I'm not really great with fires, but I still get them bitches going. So, y'all in the comments, don't judge me. I usually have my cousin here with me. Shout out to Lock Block Mean. Shout out to my nigga Mean. I usually have my boy out here with me in the nature. But yo, look what I came across, yo. I'm gonna take this bad boy up to the crib and soak it. I'm gonna take this bad boy up to the crib and soak it in some peroxide. I'm gonna soak it in some peroxide and soapy water. Let it sit in there. But let me flip this around for y'all, cause y'all can't really see it like this. I got y'all. This shit is crazy. So, yo, look what the hell your boy Peasy done came across being in nature, man. So look, I did some research and research told me that this is the skull of a you can see the teeth and all of that right there. This is the skull of a raccoon. So this is a raccoon skull. I don't want to touch it and catch any diseases or rashes or anything, so I am gonna wash this when I get home and then I'll show y'all. But boom, it's the skull of a fucking raccoon, yo. Wow, found that in nature, bro. Vay's over there breaking up pieces of wood that she can find. But see, hold on, be careful.
Hell no, to the no, yeah, to the no.
Turn. These is good trees right here. Like, see how I just broke like nothing? This is a good tree right here. A nice dry tree. Dry branch.
I played in
dry sticks, I mean, not tree. Look at this, YouTube. The skull of a fucking raccoon. Now, me personally, I hate raccoons. They're all over my apartment complex and they tear up the fucking trash. So I'll be keeping that as a souvenir to put on my altar or something like that. I found that. I'll put that up on my altar with my Orisha's. But I will set you guys up right here if this is a good spot for y'all. This spot's pretty ass. Hold on, let me find a better one for you guys. We're gonna set you guys up right here. Crickets. I'm gonna make sure I add that sound effect as well, because this is wild what we're going through. Wow. Hold on. All this shit in the fucking woods, and I can't find nothing to. Yo. Come on now, Peasy. Let's get it together, man. It's cool right here. So boom. There we go.
I just need you to do me one favor.
Let me move this out of the way for y'all. There we go. Alright, boom. So look, y'all. She made a little ditch right here. She dug it out a little bit. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like after she's done. Yeah, this looks good. is what we got right here. Got this little joint, this little.
Oh, sorry. Maybe I gotta switch some rocks around anyway.
Yeah, you're gonna have to switch some rocks around.
So like that
That's
fits
perfect,
better.
yes. Jeez. It's a hell of an ant that I just saw.
I didn't even know you had the camera just sitting right there with me.
Yeah. We said we need 2 rocks to sit on.
Yep. That ain't gonna work. Know what I was gonna do with this. Hold on, just so I can get this. I learned this from our guy, to put him in between sticks like this. Right in the middle, boom. Put one more. We got beautiful ass fire. This is the best our fires look. So now we know this. This right here.
That's a good tactic.
We learned that from our guy.
Did that, John. That John looking right, y'all, man.
Oh shit, it's coming to me though.
Feel me, you too. That's because of the wind. Feel me, you too.
We don't even need people as too. Did that. That's you. Right there.
Man, the weather's getting nice out here, but I ain't gonna lie, this would have been perfect on the little cooler day.
20 minutes later.
Alright, YouTube. So you say that we had to put our fire out due to a Karen. Still got vape back here, but the fire was controlled. Everything was controlled. I get in the midst of our fire about to be done. As I'm adding more stuff, this nigga gonna drive past on his bike and gonna ask us, "Are y'all stupid?" Y'all see me on the camera. I respectfully put the fire out. Didn't say nothing to him. I respectfully put the fire out. But as soon as I picked up that phone, I'm not gonna lie, I gave him a piece of my mind. Because at the end of the day, you're not about to walk up on us asking us if we're stupid, as if we don't know how to control a fire. Like, dickhead, it's called a controlled fire for a reason. That's the whole point of the stones. That's the whole point of the huge rocks we were using, so that the fire doesn't spread outside of the circle, outside of the rocks that it was in. Like, niggas is talking about, are we stupid? Bitch, are you stupid? This is a controlled fire. And we had a little patch. We had a whole little patch for where the circle was, for where we were burning the fire at. He's acting like we're burning a whole fucking patch inside of the fucking grass. Like, he's acting like we just set the grass on fire. Like, what is wrong with him? People like that are very low vibrational. Don't let them ruin your day. We're not going to let him ruin our day. We're going to keep it going. Got my school. We're going to clean this bad boy up and get him on my altar. And Asé Asé.
Asé Asé.
You guys do not let nobody ruin your day. No matter how bad you want to smash on them, no matter how bad you want to spaz out on them, at the end of the day, don't let nobody steal your energy. Asé Asé.
I'ma stand on business in the trenches, pistol packing. Niggas telling me don't trap, get in your bag and just keep rapping.